Okay, good day everyone. My name is Zero Manke and welcome to Learn to Earn. Now you want to be a businessman, you want to be a businesswoman, you want to make your dream come true. You want to be your own boss. You want to be set free from the 5 to 6 journey of your boss being on your head. But you don't know where to start from. You don't know how or when to start up your business. Well, that's why you are here, and you are at the right place. How to set up a business from scratch. So what we're going to be highlighting today will be first, what is business? Now you want to go into business, first you need to understand some business terms and some business strategy. You need to understand that business, if you want to go into business, 1, you must have a product. 2, you must have a service to render. Now, for you to be able to start a business, you must have these 2 things. Now we are not talking about capital. We're talking about what you are going to be giving to the masses. And second thing to understand in business, your product or your service should be able to solve the problems of humans out there. That's one thing. Make sure you jot this down. Your product or your service you want to render should be able to solve human problems out there. And that's business. In summary, a business must have a product, must have either services, and must be able to satisfy human needs and in turn renders profit to the owner. Now you have gotten the idea of business. And the second is the 3 people in business environment. Yeah, there are 3 people involved in business environment. Number 1, those that have idea without money. And secondly, those that have idea but they don't have money. Thirdly, those that have idea without money, that's the first one. And those that have money without idea, that's the second one. And third, those that doesn't have money and also don't have idea. And these 3 categories of people mix up business. Now, for you to be able to link each and every one of them together, that helps to boost your business. Now you want to go into business. And one first thing you need to understand is this. The world is at large and there are a lot of business out there. First, you need to understand that you must have a product. And for you to have a product, you must pick a particular niche, a particular platform. Now what's a niche? Niche is a particular platform in a business environment that deals within a specific angle of functionality. You understand it? For example, you want to go into the health niche. They have a lot of products that they sell, weight loss. So how can you generate idea for such niche? Number 1, just have to take an existing product. Don't bring out something new because you are just coming to the business environment. So just take up an existing product and add value to it. Now how can you add value to it? Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to some websites which I'm going to list. Number 1 is Google Trends. Google Trends, you go down and search for the top 10 entrepreneurs or top 10 products in your niche. Example, weight loss niche. Now you're going to pick 5 of each of the top 10, 5 of their unique advantage of their product and 5 disadvantage of their product. Look at this price here. When you pick 5 advantage of their product, then you go and pick 5 disadvantage of their product, you're going to turn it into advantage of your own product. And when you combine it together, it's going to give you 100%. Now you're going to add your 20% idea in that particular product you're about to market online. Now with that, you have gotten an idea of a particular business and you have known what you're going to do with the product. Now when it comes to services, you can also go to Google Trends and search for the top services in the particular business area you want to go into and do the same thing likewise. Now guys, I'm going to show you something again. I stated about something talking about 3 people involved in business environment. Now those that have idea, that money, they are people that want to go into business but don't have finance. Those that doesn't have idea but have money, they are investors. And those that doesn't have money and doesn't have idea, they're called employees. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to link each of these 2 together and give you a diagram that will make you to understand how these 3 categories of people forms a business or a company. Now with the graph you are seeing on the board, that helps you to understand what this is talking about. Now how can you get these 3 people? How can you get these 3 set of people? Now we're going to stop here for today because this is a course. We're taking it gradually. So in the next course, in the next training, I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how you're going to get investors to help you in your business. Those are going to help you set up your business in financial order, and that you can also in your own way discover means of starting up a business. And now you can also get workers, bona fide workers, to help boost your business strategy. So guys, see you next time. We're going to stop here and keep on acquiring knowledge in a business environment.